Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that promise to transform your beauty routine. And today, we've got something that's all about hair health. If you're tired of dealing with dry, damaged, and overprocessed hair, this product might be your next go-to. We're reviewing the It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner Plus Keratin, a deep conditioning treatment designed to bring life back to your locks. So what makes this product stand out from the rest? For starters, it's a unisex formula, meaning both men and women can benefit from its nourishing properties. This conditioner boasts a rich blend of natural ingredients like aloe vera, linseed oil, and sunflower seed extract, all of which aim to smooth the hair cuticle, protect against heat styling, and prevent split ends. Plus, it's free from parabens and is Leaping Bunny certified, so you can feel good about the ethical side of things too. Now, let's talk about how it works in real life. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, it has made a noticeable difference in how my hair feels. I used it on both wet and dry hair, and I found that it absorbed quickly without feeling heavy or greasy. The texture of the conditioner is rich, but not too thick, and it spreads evenly across the hair. For those with color-treated or heat-damaged hair, like myself, this conditioner is a game changer. I started using it during my regular hair care routine after shampooing. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to work through my hair. No tangles, no knots. After rinsing it out, my hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and more manageable. I also noticed that it gave my hair a subtle shine without weighing it down, which is a big plus, especially for people with finer hair types. In terms of performance, I tested it in a few different ways. After a couple of days of heat styling, my hair tends to get dry and brittle, but this conditioner helped to restore some of that moisture, making it feel more nourished without the heavy buildup some conditioners leave behind. I even used it after a long day of sun exposure, and my hair felt replenished rather than dry and straw-like. As for the pros, it certainly delivers on its promise of making hair feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. I also appreciate that it's made with natural ingredients, which is always a bonus when it comes to hair care. Plus, it doesn't have a heavy fragrance, making it suitable for anyone sensitive to strong scents. On the flip side, I did notice that while it provides a lot of moisture, it's not as intensely hydrating as some other deep conditioners I've used in the past. If your hair is extremely damaged or dry, you might need to use it a couple of times a week or layer it with another treatment. But for those with moderately damaged hair, it should work perfectly as part of your regular routine. Now, let's talk about the price. The It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner Plus Keratin comes in at 17.5 ounces, which gives you a fair amount of product. At its price point, I think it offers decent value, especially considering its clean ingredients and the performance I've experienced. However, there are other keratin-rich conditioners out there that might be slightly more affordable, depending on where you shop. If you're on a tight budget, I'd say it's worth trying, but keep in mind that similar results can sometimes be found in other products at a lower price. If you're looking for a direct comparison, there are other deep conditioners like Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner or Moroccan Oil Hydrating Conditioner, both of which offer similar benefits in terms of hydration and repairing damage. They're more expensive, but if you're after salon-quality results, they're worth considering. When it comes to build quality, I really like the packaging of this conditioner. It comes in a sturdy, easy-to-dispense bottle, and the product itself is a nice consistency that doesn't get too runny. I've had no issues with the product expiring or losing its efficacy, and I appreciate that a little goes a long way. If you're concerned about customer service, I've never had an issue with the brand, but its A10 has a great reputation in the industry, and reviews typically highlight responsive customer service when needed. I've seen no reports of major issues with product delivery or returns, so that's a solid bonus. So who would I recommend this to? If you're someone with moderately dry or damaged hair, particularly if you're dealing with color treatment or heat styling regularly, this product will definitely benefit you. However, if your hair is severely damaged, you might want to look into a more intense treatment. Before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest and in-depth reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner Plus Keratin, leave a comment below to share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.